Dave on the small turbo receiver remote control turbo racer. Right underneath here there's a button. Push the button. Push the button right here, and then I'm trying to do this with one hand. Vinny, hold this for me. Hold this, and I'm gonna try to hold this. There's a button right here underneath the remote. Push the button, then it pulls out. I'll show you one more time. Then you just, the batteries are gonna be right in here. So you just put the batteries in, which there's already batteries in there, and lock it back in. And then you lock this back in. It's just a battery saver, but it's a good remote control. So again, push the button and then just pull towards you, and then you're all set.